Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing clear, measurable goals, accuracy, and a realistic speed target. Once done, pick audio at a slightly slower pace and have transcripts ready to check. Make sure to prepare 10-20 short sentences that mix daily phrases and target vocabulary, because focused variety trains recognition. Record yourself reading some lines to simulate unseen audio. Start one short dictation now, pause, write what you hear, then compare to the transcript to see a quick, useful baseline. You now deepen the work with a steady routine. First listen for the gist, then for words, and finally write while replaying short segments. Make sure to shadow the audio aloud to connect pronunciation and spelling, because active speaking improves recall. Once finished, mark each error and group them: spelling, word boundaries, punctuation, so you can target weak spots. Repeat tricky lines until they're clean. Do short, frequent sessions rather than long marathons to fix patterns efficiently. You finish by reviewing and testing. Redictate 1 or 2 past passages each day to lock gains, and give yourself a timed test monthly to measure speed versus accuracy. When correcting, write out problem words and note patterns so you can focus future practice. If you get stuck, slow the audio to 1/2 speed, isolate the difficult words, and use phonetic hints or chunking to decode them. Keep short feedback loops and adjust materials as you improve to prevent plateaus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.